once we have our model consolidated into a single file and we can see all of the trades together, we can then start using some of the review tools. In this one screenshot here, you can see on the screen, I used the walkthrough tool to find a view I liked. Then I saved the camera location for easy retrieval at my leisure. I did not use the section tool for this one, but I did utilize the full render mode, which is the default. It displays the materials, textures, lights, reflections, and shadows. You would think that having this much detail would make it choppy during navigation, but it's extremely smooth. Other visual styles include hidden line, wireframe, and shaded. All right, now in addition here, I changed the signage to blue so it could be better seen in this view, and that's using the override appearance tool. And then I also hid the foundation, which was part of the structural model because I just didn't need it for this particular view.